Chairperson Deborah Sagano, and trustees of the Fiji Excellence in Tourism Awards, the ANZ country head, my good friend Ravi Desbach, with Sarah Stubbing, ANZ Regional Executive Pacific, sponsors, members of the greater tourism industry, ladies and gentlemen. Olamina and good evening. Before I proceed, I pay homage to the traditional owners of the land where we now stand. Dear Warden of Banua Manati, we offer our blessings to their leaders, past, present, and emerging. It is both an honor and a privilege to stand before you tonight as we celebrate the remarkable achievements of our tourism industry at the Fiji Excellence in Tourism Awards. The evening is not just about recognizing excellence. It is about celebrating the collective spirit, dedication, and resilience of every individual and organization that has made Fiji a world-class destination. As Minister for Tourism and Civil Aviation, I'm proud to say that tourism is a lifeblood of our nation. It is the cornerstone of our economy, a source of livelihood for thousands of Fijians, and a bridge that connects our beautiful islands to the world. Tonight, we celebrate not just the success of the industry, but also the unwavering commitment of our stakeholders to delivering exceptional visitor experiences. Ladies and gentlemen, let us take a moment to reflect on a historic milestone for the tourism industry. According to the Bureau of Statistics, Fiji welcomed 938 visitors by air in 2024, making a 5% increase from the previous year. The growth is a testament to the resilience and appeal of Fiji as a world-class destination. While the Bureau of Stats does not currently include cruise ships arrivals as the official tally, additional data indicates that an estimated 81,854 tourists arrived on cruise ships in 2024. This brings us closer than ever to achieving our ambitious targets, reflecting the hard work of every individual in this room and the collective efforts of our industry to rebuild, innovate, and thrive. To put this into perspective, in 2022, Fiji recorded 636,312 visitors arrivals. This grew to 929,740 in 2023, marking a 46.1% increase. In 2024, total visitor arrivals reached 982,138, reflecting a 5% growth over 2023, and impressive 54.5% increase compared to 2022. These numbers are not just statistics. They are a testament to the growing confidence that travelers around the world have in Fiji as a premier destination. Ladies and gentlemen, tourism is much more than business numbers. It is the backbone of our economy. Our industry contributes a staggering 40% of Fiji's GDP, making it the largest economic sector in our nation. It provides direct and indirect employment to over 150,000 Fijians, meaning nearly 1 in 3 jobs is linked to tourism. From the bustling markets of Suva to the serene resorts of Mamanuga, tourism creates opportunities, drives innovation, and fosters economic growth across every corner of our island. The economic value of tourism is not just measured in dollars, it is measured in the smiles of our people, the success of our businesses, and the vibrancy of our communities. Ladies and gentlemen, the historic achievement would not have been possible without the collective efforts of our industry leaders and their unwavering dedication to countless individuals who make Fiji's tourism industry shine. To name a few, to recognize the exceptional contributions of our industry leaders, such as Andre Viliame, CEO of Fiji Airways, whose commitment to connectivity has brought the world closer to Fiji. My good buddy Tony Whitten, CEO Rosie Trip Tours, whose visionary leadership has crafted exceptional tour experiences that highlight the very best of our islands. Among others, his company, pioneering production introduction of Fiji's first electric vehicles for tours, marks a significant milestone in sustainable tourism, reducing the carbon footprint while enhancing visitor experiences. Likewise, my good friend Sheraton continues to set new standards of excellence in hospitality, ensuring that Fiji remains synonymous with world-class service and unforgettable guest experiences. Under the guidance of Mr. Viliame, the Tourism Fiji Board, along with the leadership of CEO Brad Hill, Tourism Fiji has been instrumental in driving strategic campaigns, forging new partnerships, and positioning Fiji as a premier global destination. But behind every great leader are the unsung heroes who bring Fiji's magic to life. In the hands that prepare tonight's meals, the taxi drivers, tour operators, the chefs and housekeeping teams, who ensure our guests have a seamless experience, the artists and performers that captivate visitors during the talent, we thank you. For Mr. Issei Wanamode, the most recognized groundsman here at the Sheraton, to the kitchen steward at Taku Resort, and every individual in between, your dedication is the backbone of the industry. Tonight, celebrate you. These awards are more than just accolades. They recognize the passion, hard work, and dedication of those who ensure that every visitor departs Fiji with cherished memories and a desire to return. From the meticulous care of our gardens to the warmth of our hospitality, every role, no matter how big or small, contributes to the best essence of our tourism industry. Ladies and gentlemen, the coalition government is committed to supporting the growth and sustainability of our tourism industry. We are currently drafting a tourism legislation which will provide a robust legal framework to ensure Fiji's tourism sector remains competitive, sustainable, and resilient. Additionally, we have launched the pilot Tourism Micro Small Enterprises Fund, a groundbreaking first of its kind initiative to empower Fijian entrepreneurs. This fund will help create innovative ways to upgrade the business experience and drive economic growth, ensuring the benefits of tourism are felt across all levels of our society. Ladies and gentlemen, as we celebrate tonight, and as remember the world is far from over, the global tourism landscape is constantly evolving, and we must continue to innovate, adapt, and strive for excellence. Let us, use this evening as inspiration to push boundaries, embrace the opportunities, and set even higher standards for ourselves. To all the nominees and winners tonight, congratulations for your well-deserved recognition. Your achievements are a shining example of what can be accomplished when we work together with passion and purpose. Ladies and gentlemen, last year's festive season was not without its challenges. Certain isolated incidents dampened what should have been a peak season. While we extend our thoughts to those affected, let us not allow those challenges to define us. Our humble spirit is our greatest asset. It is what makes Fiji special. I urge you all to keep that spirit alive, to continue welcoming visitors with open arms, and to reaffirm that Fiji remains a safe, vibrant, and unforgettable destination. In closing, I want to leave you with a vision for the future. A future where Fiji is not just a destination, but a global benchmark of excellence in tourism. A future where our industry drives not only economic growth, but also sustainable development, cultural preservation, and community empowerment. The numbers tell a story of resilience, while your efforts tell a story of passion, dedication, and unwavering commitment. Together, we have overcome challenges, celebrated milestones, and built an industry that we can all be proud of. Let us continue to work together, strive for excellence, and ensure that Fiji achieves even greater heights in the years to come. Remember the level, and may God bless our beloved Fiji.